Hello everyone. Today I'll be welding the rubbing strake at the front of Willow, but let's go back for a moment to the back of the boat. As you can imagine, I can't manually bend everything, so at times I have to rely on a bending machine. A hydraulic press simplifies the process significantly. I'm currently shaping a 150mm flat bar intended for use on the transom. I don't have it on video, but you can see what it looks like in the photos. Returning to the front section of the hull, I now need to weld a new rubbing strake in place of the old one, which was in very poor condition and contributed to the hull's increased corrosion. This is a common issue with all springers, as they only used stitch welds to attach the rubbing strake to the hull, leading to corrosion. If it isn't fully welded, rainwater can seep underneath, creating ideal conditions for corrosion to develop. During the rusting process, 1 mm of steel can transform into 5 or 6 mm of rust, resulting in this effect. This isn't Willow, but my boat looked very similar to this. The rubbing strake is increasingly being pushed away from the hull. Here you can see an attempt at repair using silicone. It's not repair, of course. I think it isn't entirely pointless, as silicone effectively cuts off the oxygen supply and slows down the corrosion process. It must be replaced regularly, of course, because if water accumulates beneath it, unfortunately it won't be effective. When corrosion has progressed to a certain point, it becomes ineffective anyway. My intuition tells me this, nothing more. I may be wrong, of course. And no matter how much time you spend with a tube of silicone, eventually you will reach a point when replacement is necessary. Springers are budget-friendly boats. However, they are not the only boats constructed in this manner. In fact, many boats share this design. But is this cheaper welding method acceptable? No, it's a mistake. Additionally, boats are currently being manufactured in the UK and other countries using the same techniques. Some are poorly constructed, while others are well made. If I were to purchase a new boat, I would ensure that this thing is fully welded, even if I had to pay extra for it. That's a little tip from me. At this moment, I'm trimming the edge of the base plate, which may come as a surprise to those who have watched the first and second videos. because I didn't demonstrate how I accomplished this. I previously mentioned that I didn't record anything at the start of the renovation. The entire bottom has been overplated. This is what it looks like in the photos.